adrenaline rush. But you have to control. Dapat alam na alam niyo yung gagawin niyo. That's why it's good to rehearse it. But not over luto. Luto, it's nice to be rehearsed, but yung lutong-luto, iba yung dating nun eh. Yung so over luto. Ano kaya yun? Gusto lang malaman. Ano kaya yun? Okay, ano pa ba masasabi ko? Sino natin?
Chris.
Si Chris.
Nag-CR lang. Upset stomach.
Si Chris, kasi I need to talk to Chris. Give my impressions. This morning, we will continue with intervals. There are 2 more intervals before we go beyond the 5th, beyond this. Ito, meron dalawa pa yan between this one and this one and this. Meron pang 2 intervals. Okay? So, pinag-usapan na natin na ito ay seconds, ito ay thirds, ito ay fourths, ito ay fifths. Ano? Okay. Baka naman pagka sinabi nyo sa sa music director paglabas nyo dito, yan, ano to, ganyan yan. Sir, hindi tinatanggap yun. Dinivise ko lang yung method na yun for your class, okay? Because your class is coming in from zero, not zero, meaning you never took up theory lessons. So I'm giving devices, visual devices, so you have a better idea to, na siguro mas maintindihan nyo kung paano. Okay, so between this and that, meron pang 2 chords. Okay, hintayin natin si Christina. So while we're waiting for her, sige,
Born free.
Kumanta na si Bugay.
Yun ba talaga meron din ng born free?
Ay!
Born!
Chris free.
Hindi yun!
Para kasi magkawin.
Yung birthday born free. Born free.
Let's back to the
Okay? Alright. Kung mas gusto nyo yung bahay kubo, baliktarin nyo. Kanya sabi ko, taran! Kung di nyo makuha yung born free. Or let's say, pam, 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 bahay. Ay, hindi, ano, bahay, kubo. Mali yata. No? So, baliktaran yun. Right? For example, also, tan, 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 nais naming maritin. Kunyari, kinuta ko, tan, tan, nais. Baliktaran yun. Okay? Right? So, that's the feel. Okay? Guys, continuous itong intervals lessons ito dahil this is detalye ito ng pag-awit ninyo. These are details that should be at the back of your mind. Okay? So, sometimes sasabihin niya, it doesn't have anything to do with performance, but it has a lot to do with making sure tama yung intonasyon niyo. Okay? Because later on, you will realize the power or the reason, okay, why this has to be learned. Okay, okay, nandito na si Christina. Alam na natin yung seconds, tara, tara, yung thirds, tara, tara, yung fourths, tara, tara, tsaka yung fifth, tara, tara. Okay, between this and this, there is another interval. Okay, this we will call minor second. Lahat ng ganitong tunog, minor second. Yung super tension na tunog, kita nyo? Diba? Minor second ang tawag dyan. Minor. This is what we call minor. Okay? Minor second. Major second is a little bigger than the minor second. So,